Hello, welcome to this video, inshallah, where we learn how to multiply a three-digit number by one-digit number, inshallah, step by step, and we shall solve three examples. So let's dive in, inshallah. So let's start with the first example, whereby we have 123 multiplied by 4. So we shall be using the column method. So when we have 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 4. So let's start, inshallah. So start with the ones. So let's start with the ones. We know these are the units, the tens, the hundreds. So let's start with the units. So we have to start with the 4 times 3. 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. So what do we do? 4 times 3 is 12. We write 2 and carry the 1. We can write it here and carry the 1. So let's move on. Let's go to the tens. So we have 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, plus the 1. Don't forget about this one. Plus the 1, simply 9. So this is 9. So let's move to the hundreds place. So we have 4 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1, we have 4. And our answer is 492. Okay, let's move to the next question. So let's move to the next question. So the next question, we have 345 multiplied by 5. So we have 345 multiplied by 5. 145 multiplied by 5. So of the units and the hundreds here. So multiplied by 5. So let's start with the ones, the units. So 5 times 5 is 25. So what do? We say it's 5 carry 2. So we write it here on the tens. So let's move on to the tens. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 plus the 2, we just carried it. So it's 20 plus 2 is just 20, it's 22. So we write 2 carry what? Carry 2. So let's move to the hundreds. We have 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15. And 15 plus the 2, it's 17. So we write here 7 followed by 1. So our answer is 1,725. So let's move on to the last example. Let's move on to the last example. Let's move on to the last example. So in this example, you can pause if you want to attempt it on your own. You can pause the video and do it on your own. So the example, this question is 482 multiplied by 3. So 482 multiplied by 3. So just attempt it on your own and just confirm the answers. Okay, so let's do it. We start with the ones. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Times 2 is 6. So we don't have to carry. So let's move on to the tens. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So what do? We write 4. We carry the 2. So let's move on. So what is 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is simply 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 plus the 2, it's 14. So we write the 4 here. Just due south of the 4. Right here 1. So we have the answer as 1446. And finally, we finished our video. Also, try a few more examples on your own, such as, let's say, 363 multiplied by 5 and 328 multiplied by 9, 777 multiplied by 3. And we shall do these questions on our next video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Shukran.